warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, today we are going to start page number 66 and the topic is multiplying tens by one digit number. Question number 1, complete this. A part is 43 point multiply by 7. 7 5 is 25. 3 carry. 7 3 is 21. 21 and 3 24. 2 carry. 7 4 is 28 and 2 30. Now we have to place the decimal point. In the question you can see that there is only one digit after decimal point. In answer from right side we have to leave one digit and place our decimal. So the answer is 304.5. B part is 22.8 multiply by 4. 8 4 is 32. 3 carry. 4 to the 8 and 3 11. 1 carry. 4 to the 8 and 1 9. 91.2 is the answer of first part. C part 31.9 multiply by 6. 6 9 is 54. 5 carry. 6 1 is 6 and 5 11. 1 carry. 6 is the 18 119. 191.4 is the answer of C part. D part is 54.8 multiply by 3. 3 8 is 24. 2 carry. 3 4 the 12 and 2 14. 4 1 carry. 3 5 the 15 1 16. 164.4 is the answer of D part. F part. E part is 67.3 multiplied by 3. This is a 9. 3 7 is 21. Carry. 3 6 is 18 and 2 20. F part is 95.2 multiplied by 9. 9 to 18. 1 carry. 9 5 is 45 and 1 46. 4 carry. 9 9 is 81 and 4 85. G part is 51.7 multiplied by 6. 6 7 is 42. 4 carry. 6 1 is 6 and 4 10 0. 1 carry. 6 5 is 30 and 1 31. Last part of this question is 86.4 multiplied by 2. 4 2 is 8. 12. 2 8 is 16 and 17. In question number 2, table shows that the places Ibrahim visits and the distance each place is from his home. Hospital is 9.6 km away from his home. Mosque is 2.7 km. Mosque 4.4. Workplace 8.2 km and market is 5.5 8 kilometers. A part is how far is the total journey to and from each place. Copy and complete the table. This question you have to do by yourself by measuring distance from its home point. B part. Ibrahim drives his children to school every morning 5 days each week. In the evening, they walk home in a week. How much kilometers do the children walk between school and home? If the home is our reference point from home to school, this is 2.7 kilometer one side. According to statement, when the students, Ibrahim's children go to school, they have to travel 2.57 kilometers of distance. In the evening, they have to come back. So, school to home equals to 2.7 kilometers. Total is, by adding them, 4, 5. This means that each day they travel 5.4 kilometers and we have to calculate it for 5 days. So 5.4 multiplied by 5. 5 4 the 20, 2 carry, 5 5 the 25 and 2 27. Children walk 27 kilometer distance between school and home. C part is Ibrahim drives to and from work 5 days a week. What is the total distance he travels in a week? The distance between home and workplace is 8.2 kilometers. Distance from home to work is 8.2 and from work to home is 8.2. Total is 16.4 kilometers. So 16.4 multiplied by 5 because he travels 5 days a week. 5 4 the 20, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30 into 32, 3 carry, 5 1 are 5 and 3 8. 82 kilometers he travels a week. D part, Ibrahim visits his mother in hospital 3 times how far does he travel in total? Now in this statement, there is no word to come back to home. This means that we have to calculate the distance for single side. Hospital is 9.6 kilometers away from his home. Three times means he has to go three more times from his home to hospital. So 9.6 into 3 is 28 kilometers, which he travels distance in total. Last question is Ibrahim uses the car to drive to market on Saturdays and Wednesdays. How far is this altogether in a week? This means he has to travel 2 days, which is Wednesday and Saturday. Market is 5.8 kilometers away from his home point. So we have to multiply 5.8 with 2 to find out the total distance for 2 days. 8 to the 16, 1 carry, 2 5 the 10 and 1 11. 11.6 is the total distance which he has to travel from home to market 2 days. Also note down your homework. You have to solve question number 1 and question number 2 on page number 66 on your NEET copies. Now if you have any query in today's lecture, kindly raise your hand one by one.